Voila!
What if we could do simple charging better? This is Cabeless, the world's first cable that provides 15-in-1 wired and wireless charging. That's one compact recoverable cord that supports almost every device you own. Lightning, Type-C, micro USB, USB 2.0, and even wireless. So no matter what you're carrying, Cabeless has you covered. iPhones, gimbals, cameras, laptops.
Charges laptops too?
Yes, even laptops too. Cabeless does it all. Cabeless provides enough power to quickly fuel multiple devices with one simple cord, so you save money by charging smarter. It's made from sustainable, eco-friendly, biodegradable materials with a high-strength wire core that bounces back stronger with every single pull. With a removable suction design, you can charge your device hassle-free. And with WPC ferrite cover high-speed wireless charging with speeds 20 to 40% higher than normal methods. It's compact, powerful, and frankly, outstanding. So if you're tired of this, it's about time you downsize to this, the Cabeless cord. Device charging done better.